My Waterbury clock company, 1880s, probably late 1880s. Gingerbread clock, but it is a wall clock. I'll bring the light over. It's not sitting on a little shelf. It's that bottom part there is part of the clock. Nice little scene there of a crane in a swamp. See if I can get a little bit closer. Runs good. There's the face. Now, I have the shelf clock in this same model. Okay, let me just walk over here. And other than the scene on the glass, this is the same clock. But it's for a shelf. See the bottom, and then up top you see the top of the clock. This is about 1890. And you come over here to the shelf clock and you can see it's the same clock. A little bit different light, of course, it makes it look a little different. Different wood. I believe this is oak and the other is walnut. So let's see if I can get this to gong at least one, because it's going on 1 o'clock at least once. So there's the gong. These are highly collectible. Generally, gingerbread clocks are not collectible. But the wall clocks are, because they didn't make that many of them. So a nice Waterbury clock company, gingerbread, about 1880, late 1880s, 1890 time frame. Thanks for watching.